The important question for 2021 is how quickly the economy can bounce back from the impacts of COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic has triggered the deepest global recession in decades. While the ultimate outcome is still uncertain, the pandemic will result in contraction across the vast majority of emerging market and developing economies. How things would play out in 2021 is still unclear. It all depends on how quickly the vaccines are developed and distributed. The vaccine is one of the promising tools to make this virus under control in 2021. The recovery would be stronger if vaccines are rolled out fast, boosting confidence and lowering uncertainty. The crisis unleashed by COVID-19 is affecting every aspect of our lives, from health, job, education to financial security. Poverty is rising and people everywhere are worried about the future. The crisis has heightened social pressure and increased the inequalities that existed before the COVID-19 pandemic. The recovery will be gradual and economic uncertainty will continue into 2021. The crisis has led to falling employment and millions of jobs and businesses have been hard hit. Faster vaccine development and better cooperation for its distribution would boost confidence and strengthen the pickup. Distribution of vaccine is as challenging as developing them. Delays to vaccination causes difficulties in controlling new virus outbreak. Lockdown and other restrictions needed to address the public health crisis, together with spontaneous reduction in economic activity by many consumers and producers, have caused a deep recession in many advanced and developing economies. The developing countries and emerging markets, those that rely on global trade, travel and tourism, and those that depend on commodity export will be particularly hard. Recovery would be uneven across the countries. It depends on the nature and magnitude of the shock. Global coordination and cooperation of the measures needed to slow the spread of pandemic and of the economic actions needed to alleviate the economic damage provides the chance of achieving public health goals and enabling a robust global recovery. From finding and distributing vaccines to keeping the trade flowing and economies moving, international cooperation is important. Europe and emerging countries are particularly hard hit. The bounce back will be stronger in the Asian countries that have brought the virus under control. But even by the end of 2021, many economies will have shrunk from 2019 levels before the pandemic. One of the problems people face would be debt payment. Country after country have provided suspension of debt payment. But when the suspension comes to an end, those people will be in great financial crisis. Government should maintain exceptional fiscal support and ensure that the money reaches those who need the most by. Beyond short-term impact, deep recessions triggered by the pandemic are likely to have lasting scars in economy in 2021 through multiple channels, including lower investment, unemployment, and retreat from global trade and supply linkages. Developing and distribution of vaccine, along with global coordination, will speed up recovery in 2021. The prospect of a number of COVID-19 vaccines widely available next year has raised hopes that recovery in sight. Achieving a stronger, sustainable, and inclusive global economy requires determined policy actions now. We are really grateful to be alive and ready to welcome 2021 with great hope and optimism.